Welcome to this quick guide on how to show all adult content on the X app, updated with the latest steps so you can find exactly what you're looking for without restrictions. Whether you're exploring specific topics or want unrestricted search results, adjusting this setting is easy once you know where to look. First, open the X app on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look to the top corner of your screen and tap your profile icon. This will open your account menu. From here, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. This is where all your account customization tools are located. Next, tap Privacy and Safety. This section controls what you see and how others can interact with you on the platform. Within Privacy and Safety, find and tap Content You See. This is the key area that manages your feed and search visibility. Now, go to Sensitive Media Settings. This is where you can turn on or off different types of restricted content. Inside this section, tap on Adult Content and select Show All. Once you do this, the setting will immediately update, and you'll be able to view all adult content across the platform. That's it, you're done. You've now enabled full access to adult content on X, so posts, images, and videos previously hidden due to sensitivity filters will now appear in your feed and search results. Just keep in mind that X uses these filters by default to limit exposure to sensitive material, and turning them off means you may see explicit content more frequently. Always make sure this preference matches your comfort level and environment. If you ever want to change it back, simply follow the same steps and uncheck the option. It's a quick toggle that you can adjust anytime. Now you know the updated process, so you can control exactly what you see on X and make sure your experience on the platform is fully personalized.